Hi guys, good evening. So today we will learn to calculate IRR and XIRR and we will understand a little bit of concept also. So see this example. In one particular project, you have invested around 2 lakh rupees. Okay. And then you are getting the inflows that is at the end of year 1, year 2, year 3, 40,000 rupees consistent inflows you are getting in this project, right? How do you calculate the IRR? And what is IRR? IRR is actually the rate at which the initial investment breaks even with the future cash inflows, right? The present value of the future cash inflows. So the rate at which this 2 lakh rupees will make this 2 lakh 40,000 as 2 lakhs and this will become zero. This is the rate which is called as the IRR, which is internal rate of return, right? So how do we calculate this? So mathematically, if you will do through Excel directly, it will be a complex process, but we have a formula called IRR. And what you do, you just give the values to this, right? And it will give you the IRR number, which is 5.5%. So 5.5% is the rate. If you will discount all these cash flows with 5.5%, it will become 2 lakh rupees, which is initial investment, right? So this becomes your IRR. Now, here you see in this example, all the cash flows are yearly cash flows. But what happens when you have sporadic cash flows? Like you invested on 1st January, but first cash flow came in on 9th March, let's say, and even the amount of the cash flow is also different, right? So how do you calculate in this particular situation where there are different dates also and the cash flows are also different? So for that, it is called as XIRR and it is calculated when there are irregular and uneven spaced cash flows. Irregular cash flows, right? Irregular, they are not regular, and uneven cash flows, right? So we will use this function XIRR and it takes two arguments. One, the values which you are getting, and second is the dates which you are getting, right? And you close the bracket and it will give you the IRR for this type of cash flow, which is in different, you know, time, which you are getting, right? Very, very useful function for finance professionals working in banks, etc., or even doing financial modeling, investment banking, equity research, any kind of investment decision, where you take any kind of investment decision. IRR, XIRR are most popularly used functions. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much.